Well, the thing's all leaning. My camera crew. You can't find good help anymore. Hey there, welcome back to the garage. Little fun project today. Going to get with the plasma cutter a little more. Friend of mine, the guy that we did the tractor man lift, if you guys saw that video, he's got a couple of mounting plates that he wants me to cut out. He's going to mount a bench grinder and a vise on a kind of a portable thing. It'll give me kind of an opportunity to try a little bit more unusual shapes other than just cutting a straight line, which I can't really do yet anyway. So let's get these drawn out and see if we can come up with a way to get them cut out and make sense out of it. So here are the two shapes. One's basically a square with rounded corners and then 4 bolt holes. That should be relatively easy. This one's a little bit more interesting. It's got 3 legs for the vise, and then it's got these radiuses. I could probably try to freehand it, but I'm going to see if I can use some guides. I came up with a couple of things. An old harmonic balancer actually matches the radius of that corner really well from what I can tell. So I think I'll just have to cut each side. Well, I'm not going to be able to go all the way around it. I'll have to adjust for each side. And then this scrap piece of metal, I cleaned it off because it had a bunch of RTV on it. It actually seems to match the radius of that corner there. Hey, does that match this too? Oh, wow, that does. That matches this radius. So I'm going to be able to use this for the corners of my square as a guide there, and then also for a guide on these, on the feet. Cool. That should hold it. Like I always say, it'll either work or it won't. Oh, I gotta draw the bolt holes. Those are gonna be fun. All right. Wasn't horrible. It was a little bit of an angle. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back and cut back through that. I think I'm gonna start over here and then work my way back around. Due to my lack of experience, currently this is not faster than a cutoff wheel, but that's okay. Whoo, that's ugly. See if we can get some dross cleaned off of this thing. Where'd that tip? Oh, it's an old tip. We'll see if this works. Cutting holes is no fun, that's for sure. Except for the holes, this next one should go a little It's a little easier because it's square. So I got straight edges. Let's put this guy where we need it. Let's go all the way to this edge, so I don't even have to cut that one. Just have to cut that little corner off. At least I know that one will be straight, right? Cool. It's almost fall, y'all. Can you believe it's almost September? Might even be September by the time you guys see this video at the rate I'm going. But it'll finally start cooling off on us a little bit. Happy about that. I didn't hold it. Y'all thought it was going to fall, didn't you? I didn't hold it because I knew that I missed a spot back there. So gotta come back through it. We gotta mark holes. I should have done that before I got this plate hot. Man, I got pretty close. It's hot. I would drill those holes, but one, I don't have a drill press, and two, drilling them by hand would take forever. So they'd be cleaner, that's for sure. All right, here we go. This is gonna splatter everywhere. Okay, fun times. There we go, metal plate. So that was kind of fun. Man, it's turning out to be a nice day today. And there you have it. Got them done, got them roughed out, got the holes in the right place, the templates line up. They're not, they're not gonna win any awards, but they will hold what he needs them to hold. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you had a little fun. Like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't, that's good. Just as always, I appreciate you hanging around. So get your plasma cutter. This was 1/4 inch plate. It'll cut more than that, but it's still fun to practice and a heck of a lot easier than a cutoff wheel. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you later.